Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and today I wanted to show you our new outdoor lights and show you how they look in the dark. So I wanted to show you what our outdoor lighting looks like at night and some of the different ways that we use these fixtures. Um, we like to use these on pathways. Number one, that can be for safety, but also simply they look beautiful at night. It's just a nice dash of accent for your landscape. And you can see these fixtures that we use. These are brass fixtures. They have a lifetime warranty, and this path lighting here, uh, these have a nice contemporary look, but they complement a more traditional landscape as well. They're just beautiful even during the daytime, and you can see they again they add a nice accent for a pathway and just give a landscape a completely different feel at nighttime. One of the other ways that we use our outdoor lighting is to spotlight particularly large plants. Like this is the crepe myrtle out in front of our shop, and you can see it's got a nice big canopy, and we use a couple of lights underneath it to accent the trunk that's on there, and again gives a completely different look at night from what you would see at the daytime. This is a little different fixture. It is a tiny spotlight, and the way we can use this is if we are trying to graze the house, which brings out on a lot of homes this would be the brick, and on our place this is our wooden siding, and you can see that it casts a nice shadow and brings out the texture of the wood. So we use these little mini spotlights to bring out the texture on a home. Another way that we use our spotlights is, of course, here we brought out this oak leaf hydrangea. It has a really nice look, but another way that we like to use these is we shine the light through the plant, and it gives a nice throws a nice shadow up against the fence, or sometimes on the home that'd be the brick. And so, as we talked about, at night it gives your home just a completely different look, and we can take advantage of some neat features. Another plant that's really nice to just throw a light through and cast a neat shadow is a Japanese maple. So those are some of the ways that we use our lights to give a nice look for your place at nighttime. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please send them on to your friends and family and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Village Green, growing plants, growing people, and growing relationships.